Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're preparing a pork tenderloin. We'll be doing this with a dry rub, and we'll sear it and finish it off in the oven. And we'll also be preparing a honey garlic sauce to go with it. So for the dry rub, we have some salt and pepper, garlic powder and paprika. And then for the sauce, we have olive oil, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, honey and garlic. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we have preheated our oven to 180 degrees, which is about 150 Fahrenheit. And first thing, we'll tackle the dry rub. So we'll put this aside for a sec. And as we said, we have our salt, pepper, garlic powder and paprika. We mix those together. We'll just sprinkle this all over the pork tenderloin. Leave some for the other side and drop it into the pork tenderloin. Alright, so the dry rub is ready and we can proceed with preparing the sauce. So we'll get a bowl, and for this we need, we start off with apple cider vinegar, which I don't think we'll have enough, but we'll get another one. So we need about 3 tablespoons of this. See if we have enough. Yeah, that's the one. Alright. 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Yeah, that will do. And we also need half a cup of honey. Right, so we'll slowly start mixing that to combine. Should have used a bigger bowl, but it will be okay. It will take a while for it to combine, but have faith, and eventually it does. You will feel the honey sort of blending in with the apple cider vinegar and the soy sauce. And it will become rather smooth. All right. So next we'll proceed with actually starting to sear off the meat. All right. So pan, we put some olive oil heating in there, and we can drop in the tenderloin and we'll sear that from each side for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Alright, so the pork is almost ready from searing. We dropped in some garlic for just about a minute, and we're ready to add in the sauce to the pan. Alright, so once we put in the sauce, we can transfer this into the oven. And we'll bake that for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so we pulled out the tenderloin from the oven, and next is we'll take it and put it on some foil and cover it with foil. There we go. Then the remaining sauce will pop back on the hob to reduce and thicken. Okay, so our sauce is ready. So next thing to do is to cut up the pork tender into nice thick pieces. Alright, so we will be serving the tenderloin on a bed of cauliflower mash that we have prepared. You can find the recipe in our foodie playlist if you wish to. And we'll simply take some pieces and lay those over the mash. There we go. And we'll finish off the dish with the sauce that we have been reducing. And there we have our tenderloin with honey garlic sauce. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave your comments and feedback in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you. And in the meantime, to thicken and simmer. And then to thicken